Hello and welcome again to another video on Microsoft Word. It's me Arjun. As you know friend, Microsoft Word is powered with features to apply plain formula. If you don't know how to insert plain formula to calculate sum, product, maximum, minimum, average using table, then I have created a separate video on that topic. Go on the Google or in the YouTube and search how to add formula in Microsoft Word document, insert table formula in the electronic teacher YouTube channel. You will get this video, or the link is on the description below as well. Go and check. But this basic formula may not be sufficient for you, so I'm going to show the better and alternative to insert table and apply all calculation using Excel sheet for Word document. This is more professional and dynamic while calculating and playing with lots of formula to apply arithmetical and logical formula from Excel to Word. Okay, instead of inserting table from this insert table, at this time I am using object. Select the object, then select Microsoft Excel worksheet. If you want to insert the older version, you can use this one, but this one is better than the older version. So Microsoft Excel worksheet, then okay. As soon as you click the OK button, you will navigate it to the Excel window, and you need to insert the record here. Let's insert the record. Serial number first, then item name, rate, total, a quantity here. Must be first quantity, then rate, then total, then 1, then item name must be keyboard. Let me increase the zoom percent. Keyboard, KYBORD, keyboard, KYBOARD, keyboard. Quantity, let's say 10. Rate, it's a dummy record, don't rely on this. We'll calculate the total later. And if you use the Excel sheet, then it's very easy to insert the serial number as well. Just drag and leave it 111, same repetition. Just select this drop down, then fill series. Yeah, very easy, isn't it? Mouse, let's say 50, 560. Another keyboard, mouse, MONITO, or monitor, let's say 5, price 7,000. CPU, let's say 6, 1 tens, 100,000, 10,000. Let's say speaker 7, 1200. Now let's calculate the total. If you have better idea or basic idea about Excel, then it's very easy for you to calculate. If you don't know, I'll give the basic idea as well here. You can see the alphabet letter ABC here at the top. That is the representation of the column for the worksheet. This whole column is represented by A, this one B. Same as here, 1 2 3 4. Each row is represented by a number. So, and the next thing is our record. It means the data are in this cell. Cell means intersection of column and row. So the cell name is represented by column name and row name. It means this 10 is in the C2, this 500 is in D2. Be careful about that. Like CPU, where is CPU? B, this is in the B, this CPU in the B5. If you click here, you will get this cell name in the name box here as well, but it's very easy. This 15,000 is in a D5, so be careful about that. If you know that, then it is easy for you to calculate. So let's calculate here in the Excel to apply the formula. Select the cell, then hit the equal key from the keyboard, and we are going to calculate 10 and 500. We don't give the 10 into 500 because later on when we update the value from here, it will not gonna affect the result. That's why we are going to use the cell name instead of the exact data here. So this 10 is in the C2. Just click, you can click or you can type as well. This one 500 is in D2, and hit enter key. You'll get the record. And if the formula is same, then no need to apply again and again. Just select the cell where you applied before, then from this little icon just select and drag drop. That's it. Let me merge and center this one and find out the SUM TUTL sum total. Here we are going to add from here E2 to E6 equal SUM sum, bracket start, here to here, bracket close, enter. Yes. And if you want to get the, if you want to calculate the minimum or maximum value as well, like merge and center, let's say min minimum value here from here to here equal min bracket start from here to here, bracket close, enter. Yes, it means it's just a demo. You can apply any of the formula that you can use in the Excel, then you can use the same Excel everything to the Microsoft. After completing your formula, your calculation, just close it. You will get the same record here, isn't it? It's very easy. And what you can do, moreover, what you can do is, if you double click here, you can again update it, like this 7 to 8. Now everything, the calculation and the sum total, everything gets changed here. And what you do, just close it. You will get the updated record again. Double click, let's say monitor 5 to 8, monitor 8 quantity. After completing, just close it. You will get the updated record here. It's very easy, isn't it, guys? Hope this is useful for you. If you have any comment or question, please drop on the comment box below. I will answer as soon as possible. And if you haven't already, please subscribe my channel. Hit like a bell icon. Hit a like and bell icon below. That encourages me to create more video on coming future. Then don't forget to share with your friend. Thank you. Bye bye.